Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is a remarkable product created by Apple on June 5th of 2023. There are many competitors to the Apple Vision Pro. For starters, there's Microsoft, then there's Google, then there's the Oculus, and then there's Samsung. These are one of the 4 major companies that are participating in the VR field. So Apple needs to put in a lot of work so that their product can be at the number 1 spot. Speaking of work, Apple Vision Pro has an astonishing amount of technology in a compact design. A singular piece of 3-dimensionally formed and laminated glass is polished to create an optical surface that acts as a lens for the wide array of cameras and sensors needed to blend the physical world with digital content. The glass flows into the custom aluminum alloy frame that gently curves around the user's face, while the modular system allows for a tailored fit to accommodate a wide range of people. The light seal is made of a soft textile and comes in as a range of shapes and sizes, flexing to conform to a user's face for a precise fit. Flexible straps ensure audio remains close to the user's ears, while a headband, available in different sizes, is 3-dimensionally knitted as a single piece to provide cushioning, breathability, and stretch. The band is secured with a cymbal mechanism, making it easy to change to another size or style of band. Apple Vision Pro is designed to deliver phenomenal computing performances in a compact wearable form factor, featuring a breakthrough ultra-high resolution display system built on top of an Apple silicon chip. Vision Pro uses micro OLED technology to pack 23 million pixels into 2 displays, each the size of a literal postage stamp, with wide color and high dynamic range. This technological breakthrough, combined with custom lenses that enable incredible sharpness and clarity, delivers jaw-dropping experiences. Users with vision correction needs will use Z's optical inserts to ensure visual fidelity and eye tracking accuracy. An advanced spatial audio system is core to the Apple Vision Pro experience, which creates the sounds that surround you and makes it feel like it's coming from the environment around you. 2 individually amplified drivers inside each audio pod deliver personalized spatial audio based on the user's own head and ear geometry. In addition to creating a breakthrough display and advanced audio experiences, the high-performance eye tracking system uses high-speed cameras and a ring of LEDs that project invisible light patterns onto the user's eyes for responsive and intuitive input. These groundbreaking innovations are powered by Apple Silicon in a unique dual chip design. This is a very new design created by Apple, so it can do amazing processing at amazing speeds. M2, which is one of the chips, delivers unparalleled standalone performance, while the brand new R1 chip made just for the Apple Vision Pro processes input from 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and 6 microphones to ensure that content feels like it is appearing right in front of the user's eyes in real time. R1 streams new images to the displays within 12 milliseconds, 8 times faster than the blink of an eye. Apple Vision Pro is designed for all day use when plugged in and up to 2 hours of use with its external high performance battery. Now that we know all about Apple Vision Pro, there's one big question. Is Apple Vision Pro worth to buy? And in my opinion, it definitely is. You can go buy the Apple Vision Pro whenever you're free, and if you have the money and time and all the other Apple products that goes with the Apple Vision Pro, you will have a hell of a time. You will have so much fun and you can have a productive time. This is Vyas signing off on Smart Side, and see you next time. Bye.